Hello from Lloyd BMW Colne, we hope you're well and we are really excited to present to you this incredible 5 Series 540i M Sport Saloon. With its metallic Sophisto grey finish and contrasting black Dakota leather interior, you're sure to be travelling in style behind the multifunction steering wheel of this 5 Series. Here at Lloyd BMW Colne, all of our approved used cars undergo meticulous preparation, come with a full service history, a minimum 12-month warranty, roadside cover and MOT. Style and comfort collide as this 540i's fantastic specification includes comfort pack and access and heated electric memory seats. If that wasn't enough, stealthy sun protection glass and sleek M Sport brakes, M Sport exterior styling and M Sport leather steering wheel only make this car all the more stylish, while reversing camera, sports automatic transmission and electric folding mirrors make every drive equal parts safe, thrilling and smooth. With undeniable BMW elegance, a superb specification and unbeatable Lloyd Colne customer service, what more could a motorist want? Are you ready to have it all with this incomparable 5 Series saloon? Please get in touch with our wonderful sales team here at Lloyd BMW Colne. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.